Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to solve the problem Manasa and stones. Manasa is out on a hike with friends. She finds a trail of stones with numbers on them. She starts following the trail and notices that any two consecutive stone numbers differ by one of two values. Legend has it that there is a treasure trove at the end of the trail. If Manasa can guess the value of the last stone, the treasure will be hers. Let's see an example. Assume she finds two stones and their differences are 2 or 3. We know she starts with a 0 stone not included in her count. The permutations of differences for the two stones would be 2 2, 2 3, 3 2 and 3 3. Looking at each scenario, stones might have 2 4, 2 5, 3 5, 3 6 on them. The last stone might have any of 4, 5 or 6 on its face. These are just the difference value permutation. Remember, we have to find the last stone, that is 4, 5, 6. Compute all possible numbers that might occur on the last stone given, starting stone with a 0 on it, a number of additional stones found, and the possible differences between consecutive stones. Order the list ascending. Okay, let's see some other examples. Here we have example. First one is the number of stone, second one is one possible difference, and the third one is another possible difference. To understand the question clearly, let's see this example 4, 10, 100. There are 4 stones, one possible difference is 10 and another one is 100. Let's see the result 30, 120, 210 and 300. You might think you need to find all possible permutations in order to find the output, but it is not. If you can't understand the question properly or it is too confusing means, just see the input and output. You can figure out a pattern. So here we have 10 and 100. Here we can find a pattern. 300, we decrease it by 100 and increase by 10. We got 210. Again we decrease by 100 and increase by 10. We got 120. Again we decrease by 100 and increase by 10. We got 30. We got the 4 stones using a simple pattern. Okay, let's solve the problem using this found pattern. Initialize the result as set. Because we may find multiple values, now we need to find the minimum difference and the maximum difference. Here A should have minimum difference and B should have maximum difference in order to follow the pattern. So if A greater than B, swap these two values. After swapping, B will have the greater value and A will have a smaller value. Now iterate the loop up to n for I in range of n result dot add. To add the value to the set, use add function. Now for the pattern, I multiplies A. This is for increasing the minimum value like we found in the pattern, plus open a bracket n minus 1, that is the number of stones. Here n is 4, we decrease it by 1 for the initial condition, minus I multiplies B. Here A is 10, B is 100. Each time it will decrease by 100 and increase by 10. This is the pattern we found. It will calculate all possible stones. Finally, we need to sort the result and return it. For that, return sorted of list of result. It will convert the set as a list and it will sort the list and return it. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.